Hi, Jean. Madungog ko nimo. Kumusta man ka? Welcome back, Jean. Good to see you. Yeah. Okay lang. Kung ikaw, kumusta man imong life? Wala na ako nakabalik kagabi eh. Kaya nag live tarot na lang ko for Gemini and Sagittarius. Oo. Thank you. That's what no other people are saying ko no. Nindot daw paminawon akong boses. Thank you. That's a compliment. Hello po sa usa ka viewer na nako karon. Kaya pa. Yeah, gahon-ahon ako sa imong cards kato gabi eh. Um, di ba naaman to siya kuan kanang chariot. So makauli yun ka Jean pero kabalo man ka nga pag uli nimo. Yeah. Oo. Murag DJ no. Hello sa akong uban nga viewers. Si Jean Manggod, gabi inaapod si Jean. Yeah. Magic hour, hello. Yes, you can post a question. Kindly type in na lang. Jean, katong gabi iba, maski makauli ka kay medyo short ta sa help sa lain tawo. So kung makauli ka, it's like starting over nga siguro wala kay makapitan ana kay lisod man gid ang panahon Jean. Ana gani. So um yeah, mauna akong ingon sa imo kung muuli ka or maski asa ka karon nga panahona. Maski asa ka karon nga panahona Jean, wala kay tabang nga makuha from other people. So kung mahimo nga ikaw lang ang maningkamot for yourself, ana gyud. Wala pa. We don't have yeah, because of COVID. Um Mag-try tag tarot reading next month no kay kani para magini siya sa present for all of my viewers para man ni siya sa present. Ana, so wala ta kabalo next month. Nawala si Magic R. Yeah. Nawala si Magic R. Hi Magic R. Kindly type in if you are here para magsugod ta. Jean, arisa tas ni Magic R ha, wala pa man kay question. Kung naa si Magic R. I'm going to use the rider deck for you, Jean. Na si Magic R. Hi, Magic R. Ito to sa imong question. Na si Magic R. Okay. I'm going to shuffle the cards, Magic R. I-shuffle na ko ang cards. Nya ikaw lang ang mag-ingon kung mustop ko when ko mustop pag-shuffle. Alright? Rider akong gamiton sa imo because I feel like I have to use the rider for you. Let's start. Ikaw lang mag-ingon ka na sa kuman. Oh, hello po. Ay, lalaki din si Magic R. Naapod si Jean. Duha naman. Okay, ingna ko kung kano sa kumakuman Magic R ha. Pag-shuffle. Okay, sige, nag-shuffle pa ko kay wala pa man ka mag-ingon Magic. Kano sa kumakuman nag-shuffle. Oh, unsa man, ikaw ang moingon ko mo stop na ko pag-shuffle. Kani nag-shuffle ko. Unsa man mo stop na ko pag-shuffle? Magic R. Okay. My cards are ready, Magic R. Mag-stop na ko pag-shuffle. Sige, ako na lang ha. Kaya wala ka maingon. Okay. 3 shuffles. 1. Okay. 2. Napa si Magic R, no? 3. Okay. Para ni siya ka Magic R sa atin ha. Will JM and Magic get in a more committed, stable, faithful relationship? Let's see. Aha. Boldness. 2 cards. 3 cards. Huwat lang Magic ha. Dili ra ba ko ganahan magdali-dali pag kuan. Gawas ko mag-weekly reading. Sorry. Daghang kay cards iuli na to ha. Napa si Magic? Okay. Okay, you have the 3 cards. Magic, napa ka? Hello? The first 2 cards, Knight of Swords, 7 of Pentacles, right? Ano naman ni kasuko. Queen of Wands. Both of you, kamo karon kay naningkamot nga mo stay sa kaning relationship. Okay? Tapos, there is hard work here and cooperation from the two of you. Okay? Tapos, it's like kamong duha nagtan-aw sa inyong present, relationship kung unsay sakto, unsay kinahanglanon. And I think wala pa ba ko kakita diri og happiness, pero let's say there is happiness here. Naiusa ani nga gikan nga nasuko ani gikan nasuko or gikan nilakaw, distant, pero karon mura og padulong na siya balik sa imo. Okay? Magic, napaka. Right? Hi Jessica, hello channel. Ang Queen of Wands, this is a caring kanang okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, all right. Hi Magic. You have to. These are the first 2 cards that came out. Okay, this one is the first 7 of Pentacles. Okay, 7 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles is working for the relationship. Okay, both of you are, working it out in order for the relationship to sustain. Okay. However, in the past, someone right here, I think someone right here is angry at the, in the recent past or distant past. Okay. But this anger or anguish, I think this person here was, chose to distance from you. But right now, this person is, yeah. But this one, since this is in reverse, either this person is deepening the distance or this person is going to you. Okay. Yes, there isn't any communication right now. And I'm going to clarify the cards so we can see the distant future. But the Queen of Wands, there is care that isn't shown here. This is the position of this is one of you still cares for the other. Okay, I'm not going to assume that this card is for the both of you, but one. I see one person caring uh, to someone here. Okay, let's see for your fourth card with the distant future. Um, Magic, I was, asking you a while ago because I was shuffling the cards, right? I did not know that you don't speak in Bisaya. I was shuffling the cards and I asked you when I should stop shuffling the cards. So since you did not you understand me a while ago, I'm going to, tell you, say this again. Let me shuffle the cards because we need to clarify your situation. Tell me when to stop shuffling. All right? You just, you know, you can say stop, or you can type in stop. It's just 4 days. Uh, this person was angry at you, but this person is not angry at you right now. So you might as well talk to this person. Okay, let us clarify the cards. Uh-huh. I'm going to accept these four cards. All right. Mm-hmm. These cards, I have, you know, seen these cards last night when I had the free reading. But let us first hear. This is not yours. This is not your feeling, okay? I think this is the other person. The other person has love for you, and this person may come towards you, but only after a heartache. Okay? This is a heartache. Um this person is still thinking whether to come forward to you or not, right? Yeah. Um Magic, you have to talk to this person, all right? Because of the Two of Swords here. This person will consider your reasons, okay? Depending on the reasons that you are going to tell this person, all right? Because this person believes in his own, believes in what he believes, okay? But this person is susceptible to whatever you would have to say. There is love here still, right? But this person is considering of, walking away right here. But I can feel it that this person is not yet walking away. It's just distance right now. Now, these cards are for you. Hello Jessica, hello Jean. I hope you can still wait. Maghuwat-huwat lang sa takadit ha. Oo. Um, in the distant future, Magic, there is reconciliation here if you will reach out to this person. All right. There is a disagreement here, a misunderstanding, not because of the two of you, but because of the situation. Hold on, let me turn off my alarm. Um, the conflict right here, Magic, is not with the two of you, but because of the situation. All right. But this tower moment, this is, ending. I think this will end. Okay. So you might as well come forward and talk to this person because whatever the situation is, if there was a negative situation or a bad situation that's hampering your relationship or that made the relationship um became, distant and unstable, you might as well talk because that situation has already ended. Ace of Pentacles right here. Uh, you still love this person, and you love or you like this person, but I know, uh, you feel, yeah, because you feel cold, you're also cold, there is cold, um treatment here. This one, there is cold treatment here on your part, and I don't see you reaching out, but I see you recollecting all of the negative things that has happened with the two of you. And I see you in the distant future, deciding whether to um, reach out to this person or not. But this card is asking you to balance the situation, and I think the cards are saying that you have to reach out, spend time with this person, because this card is there has been imbalance, either with time, either with the situation that's external to that's external, uh, from the relationship. So this card is asking you to initiate, you know, the balance, okay? To sustain the relationship. It's for you to work it out. All right? Do you have any questions for this, Magic? Because we will go over to Jean after. But this person still loves you, okay? Um, yeah, but there's still distance. Deepening the relationship, there is a possibility, only if you will initiate. But right now, I see you being cold from this person because, you know, um, as a reaction to this. But, I hopefully you would be able to. Uh-huh. Yes, you're still confused, but you're not walking away, I know. You're just distant. I think it is not exactly as mirroring the other person, but you are as well distant. You know, your stance is very, very, your stance is very dangerous because it will be you who would walk away. This person is just clearly, distancing himself from you, but I see you, being the one who would finally walk away from this situation. So if you don't want to walk away, why not initiate? All right? Because there is love here, but there is no will from the both of you to reach out. And please know that maybe it maybe the problem is not between the two of you, but the situation that's external. All right? Thank you. Thank you, Magic. Thank you, Magic. Have a nice, evening. If right now it's evening. Hello sa uban din ha nga naa pa. Kung naa si Jean, Jean unsa man ikay sunod. Magic, you can erase the question that you have posted earlier. Uh-huh. Yeah, Jessica. Um, Jessica, let us ari sa takang Jean ha. Kay si Jean magtusunod. Mm-mm. Oy, Magic, you have deleted everything. Okay. Harmony, you are next. Next ka after ni Jessica. Okay? Now let's go to Jean. Would love to know kung unsay problema sa parents sa akong BF na ako di ko confuse sa ilaha. Feel ko lang na. And if naa bakoy ikaw worry or sige. Let's see. I'm going to use a tarot. You have deleted everything. Because I'm going to review, the conversations. Yeah, it's for me to evaluate if, you know, I have done a good job with this tarot. Do you have, deleted everything, so I wouldn't be able to evaluate your reading. But it's all right. I still have Jean and Jessica. Have a good day, Magic. I hope I have helped you. Jean, the cards are ready. Let's start. Mura og di ko kakuhag sakto nga tubag ani ba? Chariot na po, Jean. Nga naman yung chariot. Balik siya. Same as gabi eh. Parehas gihapon. Oo. See? Pero, naano siya clarity. You're going to work it out para makauli ka. Oo. Pero naano ni siya, gahikay na ka. Gahikay na ka. Hapit na ka makauli. Na. So, pero at least, 4 of Swords na ni siya. Daghan ka og plano. Dinhi. Pero naay usa ana kanang positive ang result. Okay? Sa imong daghan nga plano, kani daghan pa ni plano, pero naay usa gyud ni nga matuman. Ana, mas maayo na lang ni kaysa katong cards gabi eh. Ana, tapos ibalik ni nako ha kay murag imo ni siyang reading, dili kung katong sa parents. Okay. Unsay naa sa parents ani? Yeah, the cards are ready. Let's see. Mao to giingon. Maklaro gyud no. Na-transmit gyud nimo ang imong energy sa ako kay nakita man ako nga gahikay na ka. Murag mas klaro karon kaysa katong gabi eh. At least wala na tong naghilak nga na ay swords na daghan sa imong back, di ba? Na ay world card. Okay. Nabali man ni siya gabi eh. Karon hapit na gyud. Sa uban din ha, hello Jessica, hello Harmony. I hope makahuwat pa mo ha. Dili magupuganahan nga magdali-dali para lang makater tanan kay. Kung masayop ko, same cards naman ni siya. Tarot has 72 cards niya. Kung akong dali-dali o niya, dili masakto og interpret. Parehas sa manggod ang cards. So, parehas na siyang interpretation. Depende lang sa combination sa cards o sa situation. So, di lang na to dali-dalion akong cards, ha? Because I respect my cards so much. Hala. English, but hi, Harmony. Ang ako ra bang Jean, hello. Hello sa uban. Ang ako ra bang gisulat kay para sa Bisaya tas naay ni sulod nga. Okay, mag-English ko ha. Maglisod ko sahay pag-English baya. Okay. Yeah, Harmony. I'm so sorry. This channel is Polestar Tarot Bisaya. This is for this channel is, for me to be able to speak in Bisaya. Bisaya is a dialect in the Philippines from those who are living in Mindanao and Visayas. All right. Nakakasauban na awaya ka. I have Harmony. I have my main channel. It's Polestar. I have a tarot reading that's, I have a tarot reading in English. So, you might as well check my main channel. This is my second channel for Bisaya. Yeah, for Bisaya. For those who are living in Visayas and Mindanao. Jean, my cards are ready. Let me pick balik na pod o. Nga naman gyud. Yeah, I have my first channel, ako main channel kay Polestar with the same logo, with the same sino siya background. Yeah. Uy. Same as mo man gabi iba? Sila ditong kakuan? Mo man gabi Jean? Hi beauty. Welcome sa akong channel. Yeah. Yeah, pwede. Beauty, you can type in your question later. I'm going to call you. Tawagan na ka na ko later. Ace of Cups in reverse. Nani siya gabi no? Sila gyud ang barrier pud sa imuha. Unsa galit yung question? Kung unsay naa sa ilaha, kaaway-away man sila bahin sa imuha. Yeah, ang gusto nila ipastop ni siya nga ipastop ang communication sa inyo ha. Hold on. One card. Okay. Balik. Shuffle. Hi, Harmony. Yeah, you have found my English channel. You know, I know I know it's not required to ask me, pero may I know from what country are you, Harmony? And if who's the person I have had a reading? Yeah, Magic. Yeah, if Magic is still here, can I know Harmony and may I know Harmony and Magic's may I know where you from the Middle East. Okay. Jean, naka sa Middle East? Oh, ganahan na sila. They want someone new for their son. Right? Ganahan sila bago. Kanina lang akong tubagon para ninyo. Dili sila ganahan sa relationship. Okay? Dili sila ganahan sa relationship. Gusto nila nga ipastop. Because I think grabe ninyo ka-close sa imong uyab. Wala ko kabalo kung nahitabo sa imong uyab. Sexually, passionately. Pero gusto nila nga ipastop. Pero, you know what? Sila'y maoy gipastop sa imong uyab. Oo. Kaning iniingon ng imong uyab nga sa iyang parents or no, this is not parents but family. Okay, niingon siya because this is not ang parents murag ang family gid ani. Okay? Niingon ang imong uyab nga siya mo'y nag-stop sa ilaha nga ayaw dili hilabtan ang imong relationship. Niingon imong uyab sa ilaha. Okay? Pero clearly nag-ingon sila nga ipastop. Okay? Pero nakita man nila nga love kay ka sa imong uyab. Ana. Pero nalagi ko nakita din nga medyo ni consider ang imong uyab sa ilang reasons. Okay? Dili ko gusto maingon nga nagduha-duha siya. Mura og nagduha-duhan na. Wala ko nakita nga cards sa kwarta. This is not about cards. Ang gisulti lang dinhi kay dili sila ganahan sa imuha. Dili sila ganahan sa imuha nga mapadulong ang ilang anak sa imuha or ang ilang family nga mapadulong ang ilang anak sa imuha. Sige, I'll check ha. Okay. Gamiton ako ni ha. Kay kompleto pa ni cards. Nakuhaan na magud og upat. Naman na-add. Pero, Jean, this is only tarot. Ikaw ang nakabalo sa situation. Of course, maka-confirm ko with my tarot. Pero, your life, it's your destiny. Ikaw gid ang maningkamot, ana, okay? Siguro katong tower moment nga gabi, diba nag-ingon ko nga naay situation around you nga mahitabo gubot or bad, basta mahitabo siya surrounding you, it's for you to grow. And there is a reason why mahitabo to siya. Ana gani. Yeah, Jenna, sure. Sa Bisaya lang ko magstorya. Oo. Jenna. Hello, Jenna. Welcome to my channel. Naamang good ko'y naakoy viewers karon nga English lang pud makasabot. So kung oo, English duha ka buok sila nga English ra pod kay. Pero pag imo nang time kuan, ako kang ibisaya Jenna. Sige. Ready na. Ready na si Jean. Kuha ko. Order na ko nga dyan. Onya. May bawa na yun. Asa ko gikan, no? Nakasulti ko og among dialect. Pero Bisaya among gud akong gikuan din kay daghan man nakasulti maka-understood og Bisaya. Sa among dialect dili mo ka understand sa akong dialect. Kung dialect akong gamiton sa channel. Ning balik siya Jean, Two of Swords. Hala. Kung bahin sa kwarta, possibly. Kay wala may kwarta. Jean. Yes, related sa money. Kung ang imong pangutana bahin sa money, kay wala may kwarta. Nakasabot ka ana, di ba? So dili na ko mag-explain kaayo. Basta bahin sa kwarta. Gamay lang nga problema sa kwarta, dili pud kaayo dako. Oo. Dili pud ni siya grabe gyud kadako nga problema po, Jean. Di pud mo ingon nga tungod lang ani ipabulag namong duha. Gamay lang nga siguro mga katunga 50% problema sa kwarta. Dili pud 100%, okay? Kay di man pud mo ingog wala nagay kwarta, ana. So ayaw lang basta kabalo na ka. I hope nakatabang to sa imo ha. Okay? Yeah. Sige lang kay iato lang siya i-tarot reading next month kung nagproblema bagyapon sila sa kwarta. Karon nagproblema sila. Okay? Asa to si Jessica. Wait. Kinsa na dito sunod? Yeah. Harmony, you will be Napa si Jessica. Hi Jessica, if you are here, sultig na yeah. So you're welcome, Jean. Okay, let me read it. Sorry ha sa akong gisulot, ginahan ko ani nga kanang top. So, let's see. Okay, got it. I got it, Jessica. Nakabasa na ko sa imong question. Yeah, I have read it already. Okay. Yeah, it's a yes or no, yeah, question. Reading. Yeah, Harmony, you will be next. For Jessica, which one would you want? Quick. Jessica, which deck would I use? The green or the, what is this? Checkered? This is the Rider Waite. This is the Centennial. Beauty. Ah, yeah, sorry. Beauty is next. Ah, wait. Let me review the convo too. This one. Yeah, Rider Waite. I-shuffle na ko ang cards. Makasabot kag Bisaya. Can you understand Bisaya? Dili. Jessica. My cards are ready. Okay, no need to shuffle. Dili na nako ni shuffle. Hello sa akong uban nga viewers. Only English. Okay, sure. Sa uban ako viewers, mag-English sa ako ha. Kay naaman ko viewers pod nga English ra pod makasabot. Okay, pero mo return ako sa akong pagbisaya later ha pag inyo ng turn. Okay. Two shuffles. Okay. Ready. Yeah. Coldness. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, I think so. Uh-oh. Yeah, beauty is next to harmony. Oh, the cards are done. This is a very heavy energy for you, Jessica. I'm sorry. Uh, Let me see. This is a very heavy energy. Let me have some time to see the cards. There are two cards in reverse. Okay. You're Pisces. And he is? The other person is? Uh, First and foremost, there are moments of sleepless nights here. There are regrets. There is confusion. And there is heartbreak. This is what this. Hold on. This is what the two of you. Hi, Kiran. Welcome to my channel. Jessica, this is you and the other person. There is heartbreak and there is sleepless nights. It could be confusion. Okay, there are things you are thinking that you would want to tell this person, but you're not saying it. Because first, you're still heartbroken. But this person is. About the maybe there's a third party. But this is in reverse. Hold on. I don't see any third party here. Okay. But I see somebody who has this masculine energy right now. uh, someone who is very, very, uh, this is someone who, someone, from the two of you who wants to initiate something new, okay? Something that should, you know, there is an aspect here in the relationship that needs to be stopped, okay? But this one appeared heartbroken. Maybe, you kind of asked the other person. This other person has sleepless nights. If you're asking if there is happiness in in this relationship, I wouldn't say no, but I wouldn't also say yes, because somebody here would want, something to change. There should be something new that should be in, should be, uh, introduced for this relationship. There is staleness here in the relationship, because this is what I see in your cards. There is staleness in this relationship, and the other person would want something new. If the person is happy, the person is not happy, but not also, there is sadness here, confusion. This person is just, it's not a new beginning, but something that could spark the relationship, because the relationship is like, it's boring. It's boring, it's stale, no movement. Mm, Could be, it's like, no, it's not a new beginning. It's not sort of a new beginning. It's just something new that you should introduce to the relationship in order for it to be, you know, lively. Lively. If you want to ask if there is happiness here, it's 50% happy, 50% not. Uh, there is there is a presence of somebody here. Yeah, something that could spark the relationship. It's like spark the relationship, like going out, trying new things together. Uh, what does this person want? Let's see. Money, care. This is the home life. It's like, caring energy. Something about being supportive, something about the home life, being caring, watching each other's back. It could be time, but I think it should be security, mostly security and comfort. Yeah, yeah, that's what is. Yeah, because that was Pentacles. That's what this other person wants. But it's just, the security of the home life, or the security for the relationships, comfortability. Uh, but for the most part, Jessica, um, it's the security that the two of you are still intact. It's the security that the two of you will not separate. This is what the other person wants. It's not just about money, but this is about, you know, making sure that the two of you will not separate. Uh, if you are asking if this person is happy, this person is not. This person is not, sad. This is not really sad, but this is worried. This person is worried. Uh, But don't worry, this is not about you. I think this is not about you. You know, the situation is not about you. Okay. If whatever this person is worrying about, this is not about you, Jessica. I think it's about the situation. Okay. He or she wants something new for this relationship, you know, um, for this, yeah, let's say to be happy. I think you got my point, right? But I have to do one last card for you. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Death card again. This person wants something new to happen. I'm not going to take this, but in your future position, there might be disagreements here, so you might as well act now. All right? There might be future disagreements here, so you might as well act now. Okay? Um, you don't have the best of the situation right now. Okay? This is in reverse. The situation is not good right now. This person is wanting to have more from this situation. Okay, this person wants a good, a comfortable life. Okay, these are the cups at the back of him. This is supposedly comfortability, um, success, but still in reverse. So this is not happening yet, right? Um, happiness, yeah, it will come. Happiness will come about later. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard, I know. But it's still in reverse. So you've got to work harder. Okay. But don't worry, there is love here. There is happiness here. It will come later. Hmm. Yeah, that's what I see. Yeah. Jessica here. I see this person worried. Okay, but this is not about you. This is about the situation. All right. I hope I have answered your question. Okay. Now I hope to see you in one of my, future readings. Uh-huh. Who is next? It's Harmony. Is Gay Scorpion my future husband? Yeah, yeah. Let's use Centennial for you. It's a yes or no reading. Hold on, Jessica. Harmony. Ano si Woa? Sila di dyan din? Sure. Let's use my quantum. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have my child here. Sorry. You can hear my child in the background. For Jessica, for Harmony's future husband. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to use this. Yeah, there are two persons left. You know. Um, all right. You can't hear me. I can't hear her very much. Not really. Yeah. All right. Harmony, tell me when to stop shuffling. Nice. Ayo. Okay. Ay, sorry. I have shuffled. Sorry. Wait. Oh yeah, this is. No. Yeah, I know. Um, I'm asking the cards to flip. It's okay, okay. We are already, asking the cards. You have the Ascended Masters. This is for you to pray harder if you want this person, okay? Because this is in reverse. Joyous Fun is in reverse also. So there will be times where you will meet, uncomfortable situation with this person, okay? This one is asking you to spend more time for this person, and to know more about this person. Clearly, this is a no card, yes, yet. Okay. Hi, Kiran. Harmony, this is a no because you need to know first the person. Okay. Um. mm, Yeah. Let's clarify after this. Okay. Hapit na, hapit na. The cards are saying that you still have to know more about this person. Yeah, about your future. Sure, Kiran. What's the time now? 10:42. Okay. Kiran, can you email me your question because my last reading would be for who is next to Harmony? Yeah. Kiran, I have my email address in my profile. Kindly email me because my last reading would be for. Hold on. Let's see. I don't know if. Yeah, I think it's for beauty. Yeah, beauty. Okay. Let's clarify the cards for Harmony. Harmony, the cards are not saying that you have to separate from this person, okay? The cards are just saying you have to know more about this person. Oh, passion. There's no passion. Whoa, why? Why? Stop doing it. My daughter is here beside me. Oh, star in reverse. Okay. Last card. Uh-huh. No, I'm not going to take this. Could be. Um, yeah, you kindly email me, Kira. Hold on. Uh, okay. I see you having a good life with him. okay, or her, Harmony, okay? But there's no passion here. I don't think you have time. I don't think you have bonded with him in an intimate level. I'm not sure. Because this is in reverse, or I think this is either more or less. Okay, this devil card. But this is a good life with him or her. And this is family. This is togetherness. This is a family card for me. All right. But the star is here. Uh, Either someone is thinking about family, having a family, being together, and I see you in the end coming together. Uh, if you base it with the cards, yes, but there's a personal conflict here that you or the other person will have to go through before you can decide for marriage. Okay, see, so it's not directly a yes that you will be married to this person, but you will go through, you know, a personal, there is a decision here that needs to be, you know, that needs to be done. Okay. Yeah. And I don't see it's a decision is made, but look at the surrounding. Look at your, yeah, a decision has been made, but you have to, think if the two of you are ready, because I don't know if you have foundation. You don't have any foundation yet. See the aspect of marriage, comfortability, finances. I don't think it is that good yet. So the relationship, there is no question on that. It will lead to that, to marriage, or to a certain level or a deeper level. Yes, it can, but I'm saying that the foundation is not yet solid. All right. So well, it's for you to work it out. Okay. I don't see any third party here. If happiness, yes, there is happiness. More of, solid partnership between the two of you. A little just personal decisions that has to be made. Probably because of the living situation, money, finances. That's what I see, and intimacy. Right? Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm for Kiran. Hi, Jenny. Uh, because I'm going now. Kiran, kindly email me about your future. If you are here, kindly confirm. Hi, Harmony. Yeah. Kiran, if you are here, kindly email me your question. I'm going to answer that. Yeah. It's a yes. It's a yes for you, Harmony. But you've got to work it out. It's not a directly yes, like it's the universe saying yes, yes, yes. You've got to work it out. You're welcome, Harmony. I'll see you in one of my future readings. Kiran, yeah, kindly email me. Um, you will see my email in my profile. It's thegiftedtarot@gmail.com. Katong uban, time na nako nga mo kuan mo end sa akong streaming. Pero magsige man kog stream basin maka-stream ko tomorrow for a free reading. Kindly like and subscribe my channel para makabalo mo kung kanus ako mag free reading. Okay? Naapot ko yung mga weekly readings. Okay, for all of you who are watching right now, kindly like and subscribe to my channel so you would, know when I would have my free reading. Okay, Kiran, I'll see you very soon for your free reading. Kindly email me. And for the rest of you, bye. Have a good evening. And thank you for watching.